Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make comics in ChatGPT. So did you know that you can make your own comic books using ChatGPT in just minutes? So today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own comic story, generate characters, and even get visuals all inside ChatGPT. Let's dive in. So first we need a story idea, and in ChatGPT you can just type a prompt like this. For example, create a 6-panel comic story about a time traveling cat who accidentally change history. Okay, you can try the prompt and hit on enter, and ChatGPT will give you a plot outline for each panel, and you can change the theme: superheroes, romance, fantasy, or whatever you want. And you need to be specific with your genre and style. As you guys can see, this is the panel 1, what is about, panel 2, and also up to panel 6. Next, you can just write the script. So turn that outline, this one, into an actual comic script. So you can ask ChatGPT to write detailed dialogue and scene description for each panel. Can try that, hit on enter again, and now you've got the text that you can use for each frame, including what character says and what's happening in the background. As you guys can see in here, this is a dialogue right here. And next you can just create the art. So here's the plan for making the visual. So if you have ChatGPT with image generation or access to DALL-E, you can just type like this: draw a cartoon style image of the time traveling cat wearing Google standing in ancient Egypt, bright colors. You can just write that, or you can also use your own style. And after that, you can just put it together between the visuals and also the text. And you can use free tools like Canva, Comic Draw, or Pixel. Import your images and paste in your dialogues. And you can just arrange the panels, and boom, you have a complete AI made comic. So once you're done, you can export it as PDF or image and share it online. And that's it. You just learned how to make comics in ChatGPT from scratch. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.